Core Mobile's telehealth solution is customizable to multiple healthcare workflows, including primary care, surgery, emergency, urgent care, and mental health. The telehealth solution includes voice, video, voice-to-text, text, and picture messaging between healthcare providers and their patients. In addition, the video calling functionality leverages underlying WebEx infrastructure that exists at Veterans Affairs hospitals with clinical workflows built right in. This means the telehealth solution supports features that are associated with specific workflows, like digital whiteboards, automatically. Video calling enables adding new providers to an existing call or consulting providers while keeping patients on hold. Providers can log in using their PIV cards, and patients can participate in video consultations and sessions without the need to download new applications. The system opens and closes encounters automatically and writes them to Vista or other EHR or EMR. The application enables telehealth providers to access patient information and place orders while being on the video call. Finally, Core Mobile solution comes with detailed analytics so that providers can improve efficiency and access to care. Core Mobile, enhancing digital health for happier lives.